guys, we got the Grandtree Pro out. Jeep/truck look. Out ripping and running for the first time on 2S. There's a good look of it right there, 1/16 scale. Got like a Jeep truck type of look to it. Like I said, 2S, stock out the box. First time ripping and running for you guys. I'm gonna rip it up and down. And tell me what you think, like, subscribe, comment, and here we go. Hit the camera. I gotta do some maintenance on it, get some oil, dip oil in it. It's just spinning tire, all the power bleeding. No friction. It's like the gears are just going and tires are spinning, and you need some really thick oil in there to send the power evenly from the rear tires to the front tires, and help them to not spin out. You know what I'm saying? As soon as I hit that right here, it just spins. All it does is spin first. But if you had a good lube, it'll slow down some of that spin out. Well, that's what I think. Anyway, let's go comment. Let's roll. Sorry guys, got work on the brake too. See if I can pop a little. No, really. Right to that side and then break it right to the curve. Not giving it full throttle, guys. I'm giving it half, quarter. I'm not giving it full throttle. I think I got some corners because I ran up on that curve coming down here pretty fast. What you think? Pretty fast, slow, pretty feather touch on that thing. It's like, trying to climb up the wall. He got some power. Trying to come up the wall. Full throttle, ain't no way I can hold down full throttle all the way up. It's just gonna spin out. You gotta gradually give it throttle, and then once it kind of, how can I say, accelerates to a point, and then you just gotta gradually give it throttle. First punch, it's gonna spin out every time. Alright, leave it here, guys. There you go, the Grand Tree Pro 1/16 scale brushless. First time running it out. On the road, on the street, in the parking lot. Pretty cool looking. And Lifeguard combat with it right here.